You only need 3 ingredients to make creamy fettuccine alfredo. Thanks to Sunny at That Dude Can Cook for this brilliant idea. First, generously salt a pot of boiling water. Next, add about 1 pound or 450 grams of dried fettuccine pasta. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Make sure you save about 1 cup or more of the pasta water. This is going to help bring the sauce together later. Test if a piece is cooked al dente, then drain the rest of the water and set aside. In a large pan, melt 10 tablespoons or 140 grams of unsalted butter. Next, add your pasta and give it a toss to coat in the butter. Pour a bit of your starchy pasta water in and stir until the sauce forms. Finally, add 1 cup or 90 grams of authentic shredded Parmigiano Reggiano gradually and toss until it's melted. The sauce should start to thicken and become super creamy. That's how you know it's ready to serve. If you want to add some freshly ground black pepper or parsley on top, go for it, but it's also delicious as is. Check out some of these other videos and subscribe for new content daily.